solve d square y by dx square, solve d square y by dx square plus y is equal to tan x by the method of variation of parameters. By the method of variation of parameters. So there is no change. Is it possible to solve this by type 1, type 2, type 3?
Type 4.
Yes.
No,
This is type 4.
type 4.
Only we can solve it by method of variation of parameters, what we discussed till now. Type 1, type 2, type 3, it is not possible. And the coefficients are constant only. It is not Cauchy or it is not legendary. Correct? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you should keep it in your mind that Cauchy's means x square d square, that form. Legendary means ax plus b whole square into d square form. Right? Is it clear? So variable coefficient should be there, but it is a constant coefficient and it cannot be solved by type 1, type 2, type 3. We can solve this by in the method, in the question itself they specify, use method of variation of parameters. Okay, right. So how we can write d square y by dx square as?
D square y.
Capital D square y plus y is equal to tan x. Okay. Next, take y common. D square plus 1 into y is equal to tan ax. Correct? Now, it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x. It is homogeneous or non-homogeneous?
Non-homogeneous.
Non-homogeneous.
Non-homogeneous differential equation. Then what is the general solution?
Y is equals to yc plus yp.
is equal to yc plus yp.
But in the non-homogeneous differential equation, actually we are not considering y equal to yc plus yp. Correct? So we are considering only yc. Right? Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are considering only yc. We are not taking yp. Okay. So next, so since it is of the form f of t into y is equal to phi of x and it is a non-homogeneous, so we have to find yc. Okay. To find yc, what we should consider? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
To find yc, consider
C1 y1 plus C2 y2.
first what we have to consider? Auxiliary equation. Okay, what
Auxiliary
is auxiliary equation? F of m is equal to 0. What is f of m?
M square
M
plus 1
square
is
m
plus
square
1
plus
is
1
equal
equal
to
to 0.
0. Okay. So now m square plus 1 is equal to 0 means m square is equal to minus 1. M is equal to what?
Plus
plus
or
or
minus
minus
I.
I.
Plus or minus I. So m is equal to, we can write this as 0 plus or minus 1i. So what is yc? E to the power of
0x
0x
C1
into
The
x
power of 0
plus
x
C2 sin x.
c
correct?
cos.
Is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is e power 0x?
1.
1. So
1 ma'am.
yc is equal to c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So now yc is replaced by y, correct? Yc become our general solution itself by replacing c1 by
C
a cos x plus replace c2 by
B.
E
b sin x. Okay, na? So now it is of the form. What is the general form? It is of the form
Y
y is
is
equal
equal
to
to A y1
so I is
plus
equal
B
to
y2.
okay.
b y2. You call this as equation 1, not this one. Okay. So now by comparing this and this, what is y1?
Cos x.
Cos x.
Cos x.
What is y2?
Sin x.
X.
Sin x. Okay, now find out y dash, y1 dash. What is y1 dash? Differentiation of cos x
minus sin x.
minus sin.
minus sin x.
What is y2 dash?
Cos x.
Cos x.
Cos x.
Yes.
After finding y1 dash and y2 dash, what we have to find?
W.
W. What is the formula to find W?
Y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash.
y2 y1 dash.
Substitute now. Y1 is cos x. What is y2 dash? Hello?
Cos x.
Minus
Cos
x,
y2 is sin x into what is y2 dash? Sorry, y1 dash
Minus sin x.
minus sin x. Therefore, W is equal to cos x into cos x is
Cos square x.
Cos square
cos
x.
square x minus into minus plus sin x into sin x.
Sin square x.
Sin square
Sin
x.
square. What is cos square x plus sin square x?
1.
1.
1. So we got W as 1. After finding W, what we should find?
A dash.
A dash. Write the formula for A dash. What is the formula for A dash?
A dash is equals to minus y into
Minus y1.
phi of x by w.
Minus y2, not y1. Minus y2 into pi of x by w. Substitute now. A dash is equal to minus. What is y2? Sin x or cos x?
Sin x.
Sin x. What is
Sin
phi
x.
of x? What is phi of x?
Tan x.
Tan x.
Tan x. What is w?
1.
1.
1. Now simplify this. Minus sin x. Tan x can be written as
Sin by
Sin
cos.
x by cos x.
Sin by cos.
sin x by cos x. Right? Sin x by cos x. Next. Therefore, we obtain minus sin square x by cos x. So, sin square x by cos x. As Likith told that we can take this to the numerator, it becomes cos to the power of minus 1x. Now we can use sin power nx, cos power nx dx formula, but there we have minus 1 sign. Okay, even or odd, it is difficult for us to find out. Okay, so for that you can go for the beta gamma function. So limits are not there. So Likith, the limit should be 0 to pi by 2, right? Limit should be 0 to pi by 2 to apply reduction formula. Correct? But here we don't have limit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That previous, without limit also we deduced up to that one particular formula, right? So there again there is a lot of things to simplify that. So before that, instead of going to make this as a complication, we can simplify this by writing, I will keep minus outside, sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x. I will make this as a standard form of the integration, then we can easily integrate it. Okay, now? Okay, next. Minus. So I will split the numerator. So 1 by cos x minus cos square x by cos x. Correct? Huh? Is it right what I am doing? Can we do like this?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 1
Yes.
over cos? What is 1 over
Secant.
cos?
Secant x.
Secant. 1 cos and 1 cos get cancelled. We get cos x. Do you have a
Cos x.
standard integration for secant x?
1 plus tan square x.
No. Integration of secant x.
Log into secant x tan x.
Okay, if you multiply this minus sign, we get cos x minus secant x. Okay, so now we have the standard integral for cos as well as standard integral for secant. So now we have a dash. So now integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. We get a is equal to integration of cos x dx minus integration of secant x dx. What's the integration of cos x?
Sin x.
Sin x.
Sin x.
Minus, what's the integration of secant x?
Log of secant x plus tan x.
Log of secant
Secant
x.
x plus tan x.
Is it right? All of you will agree with that?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus integrating constant plus integrating constant k1. Okay, na? Is it right, A?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, we go for B dash. So what is B dash formula?
Phi 1 phi of
y1 into
x
phi
by
of x
w.
by
What is y1? What is y1?
Sin x.
cos x.
Sin x. Sin x or cos x? Y1.
Cos x, ma'am. Cos x.
Cos x, ma'am.
Cos
Cos
x.
x,
What is
ma'am.
phi of x? What is phi of x?
Tan x.
Tan x.
Tan x. What is w?
1.
1.
1.
One.
Therefore, b dash is equal to cos x into sin x by cos x. So, I am leaving 1. You know, cos x and cos x cancel. B
Sin x.
dash is equal to sin x. So, now we have the standard integral for sin x. Integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. So, integration of b dash is b. Integration of sin x dx plus the integrating constant what?
K2.
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 So b is equal to what is the integration of sin x?
Minus cos x.
Minus
Minus
cos x.
Sin x cos x.
Plus K2. Where we have to substitute b value? A and b values
General solution.
in
General
equation 1.
solution.
Yes, in equation 1 become A. A is what? Sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x in plus K1 plus K1 into what? Into A cos x, right? A cos x plus B sin x plus of minus we have minus cos x plus K2 into sin x. As I told you earlier that you write this constant terms first. So that is K1 cos x plus what? Plus K2 sin x, right? Next, here this term, this whole term into cos x plus sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x into cos x into cos x minus plus into minus minus cos x into sin x. Did you clear? So d square y by, this is June 2018 question paper problem. D square y by dx square plus y is equal to secant x into tan x. Okay. By the method of variation of parameters. By the method of variation of parameters. Okay. Question is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Come to the solution. How we can write d square y by dx square as
D square y plus y.
d square y.
d square y plus y is equal to secant x into tan x. Now take y common. D square plus 1 into y is equal to secant x into tan x. So now it is of the form f of d into y is equal to phi of x. Non-homogeneous differential equation. Next, we have to find out yc. To find yc, what we should consider?
Auxiliary equation.
Auxiliary
Auxiliary
equation.
equation. F of m is equal to 0. What is f of m?
M square plus 1
M
equal to
square
0.
plus 1 is equal to 0.
So m square is equal to minus 1. What is m?
Plus or
So
minus
f of
I.
minus I.
Plus or minus I. Okay, next. So that is m can be written as 0 plus or minus I. Therefore, what is yc? E to the power of? What is the nature of the roots?
The power of 0x.
Complex.
Complex.
C1 cos x
C1 cos x
C1 cos x plus C2 sin x.
plus C2 sin x.
Please C2 sin x. So yc is replaced by y. It becomes general solution itself. So e power 0x is 1. C1 is replaced by what?
A.
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 A cos x plus C2 is replaced by
B.
B.
B plus B sin x. Okay, call it as equation number 1. Our aim is to find the value of A and B. Correct? Huh? So it is of the form y is equal to A into y1 plus B into y2. What is y1?
Cos x
Cos x. What is y2?
sin x.
Sin x. What is y1 dash?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Differentiation. What is y2 dash?
Cos x.
cos x.
Cos x. So what next?
W.
W. What is the formula to find W?
Y1 into Y2 dash minus Y2 into Y1 dash.
Okay, now substitute. What is y1?
Cos x.
What is y2 dash?
Cos x.
Minus y2 is sin x. What is y1 dash?
Minus sin x.
Minus sin x. Therefore w is equal to cos square x minus into minus plus sin square x. What is cos square x plus sin square x?
1.
1.
Therefore we got w as
1.
1. What next?
Find
What?
A dash.
A dash. Consider a dash. What is the formula to find a dash?
Minus pi 2 pi of x by w.
Phi of x by w.
Now substitute minus. What is y2?
Sin x.
Sin x. What is phi of x?
Secant x tan x.
Secant x into tan x. Divide by w. What is w?
1.
1. So a dash is equal to, now simplify the numerator. Sin x. Secant x can be written as? Secant x can be written as?
1 by cos.
1 by cos x into tan x as it is. Okay. Now sin x by cos x is what? Okay. Tan x can also be written as sin x by cos x. Correct? Huh? So sin x into sin x, sin square x by cos x into cos x, cos square x. What is sin square x by cos square x?
Tan square x.
Tan square x. Do they have a standard form, standard integration for cos tan square x? Do you have a standard integral for tan square x?
No.
No.
No,
So
ma'am.
tan square x can be written as
1 plus secant square x.
Secant square x
Secant
minus
square
1.
x minus
Secant
1.
square x plus
tan square x is equal to
Secant square x minus 1.
Secant square x
Secant
minus
square.
1, ma'am.
Secant square x minus 1. So multiply by minus sign 1 minus secant square x. Do you have a standard integral for 1? Can you integrate 1? Okay.
plus
Can
sin
you
square x.
secant square x? Do you have a standard integral for secant square x? What's the integration for secant square x? What's the differentiation of tan x?
Secant square
Secant
x.
square x.
Secant
What's the
square x.
integration of secant square
Log
x?
mod secant x plus tan x by
Secant square.
Secant
Tan
x
x,
plus tan x.
Tan x.
ma'am.
Tan
Tan
x.
x, ma'am.
Cube, ma'am.
Differentiation of tan x is secant square x, correct? Huh?
Yes.
Integration of secant square x is
Tan x.
Secant cube.
Tan
Not cube. Integration of secant square x is tan x. Differentiation and integration are reverse process, right? So now we can integrate both. So shall I move to the next page? Is there any doubt in this page?
1 minute, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I move to the new page. If you have doubt, you can ask in this. If you have any doubts in this page, you can ask. I will clarify. Then I will move to the next page. Is there any doubts? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
Okay. So take down the, sorry, we have to do continuation. So now b dash is equal to 1 minus what? Secant square x. Now integrate
B
on
dash.
both sides. B dash, right? A dash or B dash?
A dash. ma'am.
Since we are in A dash only, integrate on both sides. Okay, now integration of A dash become A, integration of 1 minus secant square x dx plus what shall I write?
K1.
K1, integrating constant. Now, integration of 1 is
X.
x minus. Integration of secant square x is
Tan X.
Tan X.
Tan X.
tan x plus integrating constant K1. This is A value. Next what? Tell me fast. What next?
B.
B
B
dash.
B dash. Consider B dash. What is B dash?
Y1
phi
phi
of
of
x
by
by
W.
W.
Y1 phi of
Do
x
it
by
fast.
W.
Complete it fast. What is Y1?
Cos X.
Cos x. What is phi of x? What is phi of x?
Secant X tan X.
Secant x into
Tan x.
tan x. By W. What is W?
1.
1. 1. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay. Next B dash. B dash is equal to cos x. Secant x can be written as
1 by cos
1
x.
by cos.
1 by cos x into tan x. Cos x and cos x
Cancels.
cancel. So B dash is equal to tan x. We have a standard integral for tan x.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now integrate.
Secant square.
Integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. So b is equal to integration of tan x dx plus what?
K2.
What is the integration of tan x?
Log of secant X.
Log of secant x plus k2. This is b. After finding a and b, what we should do?
General solution.
Substitute in equation 1.
Substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 become y is equal to a. What is a? X minus tan x
X minus tan x plus K2.
K1 into cos
Plus
x plus b into b is log of secant x plus k2 into sin x. Now tell me what shall I write? Now tell me what shall I write?
K1 cos X plus K2
K1
sin
cos
X.
x, K2 sin x.
Okay, then
X minus
Minus
tan x cos x.
X minus tan x into cos
Cos
x.
x.
Plus
Log secant x sin x.
log of secant x into sin x. This is